This is Dave Gardner with Ohio State University, and today I'd like to talk about controlling the different clover-like species that we see infesting lawns in Ohio. The key to proper control of these species is to identify them so that you can put the herbicide on at the proper time. Now, the species that we commonly deal with, one is called white clover, which is a perennial species, and the reason that it's called white clover is that, well, it has a flower that blooms white. There's also a weed called yellow wood sorrel, which has a heart-shaped leaf. It's a trifoliate leaf, but each of the leaflets is shaped like a heart. And then there's also a couple of species that are commonly confused. One is called black medic, which is a weed that we've actually had in our lawns for a very long time. It's an annual weed with a diffuse yellow bloom on it. And then there's this species, which is called bird's foot trefoil. It also has a yellow bloom, but if you look at the two flowers side by side, you see that the bird's foot trefoil has a much bolder, bigger yellow flower on it. Now, when these plants aren't in bloom, you can also look at the trifoliate leaf, and on the black medic, you'll note that the terminal leaflet has a short petiole that separates it from the two basal leaflets, and that is not present on the bird's foot trefoil. However, the bird's foot trefoil, the shape of the leaflets, well, it kind of looks like a bird's foot, hence the common name. Now, the importance with being able to identify these species isn't necessarily the choice of herbicides, because you're going to use either MCPP or, if you're in lawn care, fluroxapyr to control these. The issue is timing. Okay? White clover and bird's foot trefoil are perennial species, and so while you can get some control in the springtime with our standard May application, control of perennial species is actually better if you use the ester formulation of those herbicides and make an application in November. Okay? Something else is that the bird's foot trefoil tends to not be fully emerged during the month of May, which means that any application during the month of May may or may not actually hit above ground foliage with this. As far as the other two species, oxalis and black medic, both of those are annuals, but they emerge at different times of the year. The black medic tends to emerge in May, and it blooms in late May to early June, whereas the oxalis tends to emerge in June or July, and you see blooming July into August. Okay? Since those are annuals, they're coming every year from seed, and so the best strategy for controlling those is to prevent them from seeding. So you want to hit those with a post-emergence herbicide after they're emerged, but before they have a chance to flower and set seed. Alternatively, with those two, if you have a severe infestation, since they do come from seeds, several of our pre-emergence herbicides are labeled for control of those two species.